Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 update error code 0x80070002 that you're experiencing on your Windows computer. And this error message would read, if you're looking at the error message, that there were problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, underneath options, you want to select other troubleshooters. And then underneath most frequent, select the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Run button. And hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, we'll go ahead and close out of here. I'd recommend opening up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now I will have a couple commands in the description of my video. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's the system file checker utility. And then go to the top bar of the command prompt window here, right click on it, select edit and paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that command is finished, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and go ahead and run that one as well. And once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And then you want to restart your computer. And hopefully now if you attempt to proceed to check for updates, your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.